Hi everyone, this vehicle has just come into us in part exchange, literally just come straight in. It's a 2012 Scania K320 on an Irizar i4 body. Very popular dual purpose vehicle. It's fully PSVAR with 51 seats. It's in good condition, it's just been resprayed in white. Bridgestone tyres, look like pretty new actually. It was first registered in July 2012 and it's got an MOT until 20th of November 2023. Take you to the important bit. K320 engine. That's a 5-cylinder Scania K320. This one drove back really well. Plenty of power. ZF automatic gearbox, so it can come out 2 automatic gearbox. Again, the Bridgestone tyres. There's the wheelchair lift halfway down the near side. Fully certified PSVAR and will come with a new Lola test. And as we go inside, it's got this very nice leather seats. I think they're Esteban seats, but they do look really nice to be fair. It's covered about 920,000 kilometres I think. No faults on the dash. As I said, ZF Auto, Hanover destination. This is cold aircon which works really well. I should have shown you as we were opening the engine hatch, you can see the compressor kicking off and spinning around, so we definitely know that works. We'll put some new filters in it for whoever buys. Say it's still in really good condition actually. It's an ex-Ulster bus vehicle and they had lots of these working up in Northern Ireland. Actually it's been well looked after. That's the wheelchair door from the inside. These are the removable magic seats. And there we go. Thank you.